Hey, my peoples out there in the Realla world. Welcome to the Realla Cook Show, starring Aisha in the background.
Hey.
Today, I'm making the Realla seafood pot. And do this every month for my wife. Because she never ate seafood before until I came in her life. And when she got it, she been addicted to it forever. So now I gotta cook it every month for her. And I believe this is a tradition for Aisha to have her Aisha pot, but the Realla pot. Straight like that. So first of all, this is what we're using today. I got these sausages from Sam's Club. Michael, what's his name? Calibasa. I believe an Italian brother. These are good sausages from him, by him. Right here you get these. Check them out. That's how they look like. They smell so beautiful and fresh. So, yeah, we'll put that right there. And we got a special sauce that we get from where, Aisha?
King Crab.
King Crabs. I'll let y'all see this sauce real quick. This butter sauce. It's a spicy butter sauce. So
they have king crab not only in Kansas City, but they have it in other places as well. So you guys may be familiar with it.
Get it in the light for y'all. There you go. Some good sauce. So, we about to, let me see, use my favorite jalapenos. You'll put some of that in the hot boiling water, as you can see. We got the hot boiling water over there. Open it up. I need my Superman strength. Slippery hands. There we go. Put some of that in there.
The spices are so hot, I keep sneezing.
Spices are so hot. Little peppers in there.
So excuse me. Ooh, ooh. I let you know how
they ready for the Realla show. Got my other pot over here. Throw some in there. Now we hold on, see. Nobody want nothing, but yeah, we gonna put some more peppers in there.
Babe.
Woo, babe.
What are you doing?
Choking up the house. Spicy, so it's spicy. Very spicy.
He got allergies. It sure would clear them.
Then we got this spicy. This is chili garlic sauce.
Oh, so you let me know your secret.
Yeah, I'll let them have that secret today. Ain't gonna hurt them. Ain't gonna hurt me today. I'm being nice. Add some of that in there. Stir it up. I'm gonna bring the camera over here for y'all so y'all can see. I'll be right back with you. Welcome back. I'm about to get this seafood in control. Here are crab legs we're working with. Snow crabs. They good. Smell sweet. Right there. Right there. You can bake them. You can boil them. I'm gonna boil them. Then I'm gonna throw them in the oven for my wife's crunchy movie.
They get those from Sam's Club. They're like $22 a pack. That's all of them? Mm-hmm. You a joke. Oh, okay. I thought it was like it. Like, I know that's not all of them.
Yep. That's the crabs for her.
Kids don't miss out on this. Don't you wish sometimes the kids don't like the seafood?
Yes,
Like,
they never ate
nah,
seafood.
you don't want those crawfish.
She get turned on to seafood, and they followed her tradition. Now they addicted to it. Now they want crab legs,
Crawfish, shrimp.
Well, they
No,
know about
baby.
shrimp, but they didn't know about the rest of the crustacean. They didn't know about lobster. They didn't know about crab legs, and they didn't know about crawdads.
Yeah, he
crawfish.
choking us in here.
It's choking bad. Okay.
That's to show you how spicy it be. It be delicious though.
2, come close. 3, 4, 5. Oh, I'll get that one, wipe it off.
Shoot, that water gonna boil it up.
Boil it right off.
Yeah,
These some big boys right here.
good.
Now,
Can't go wrong with the Sam Club.
boot, block. Get that mug off the floor.
We got our eggs back
Block.
here going too as well.
Got the eggs over here. So we go have our eggs. Gotta bring the big boys out.
You gotta poke your hose through them.
Yep. Take them, lay them right there. Show y'all what to do.
Cutting
So,
board.
yo.
Cutting board indeed. We need that.
So do.
Next time you guys will have a cutting board. I don't know what were you thinking.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This to make the juices flow in there. You want that seafood taste. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is for y'all that don't know how to cook or trying to learn how to cook something.
Little
1,
seafood boil.
2, 3. The real seafood pot. And Aisha is the one who's gonna dig in.
Sure.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold up. Hit it again. Because you want them flavors to bust all in there. On the other side. Huh? Bam. Straight like that. I'm gonna put one right there. Boom. Like that.
Blop.
Block.
Boop. What you say? Boop. Bop. Bop. Bop.
Block. Them up in there, do their job. Now we gonna come to over here and look at the seafood boil. Let it do its thing. We be right back. Welcome back. Today it's about to be a good day. Thank Allah for this day. Thank Allah for the food and drinks and making us Muslim. In the name of God, Ameen. We about to chop up these oranges, put them in there. Onions, put them in there. Lemons, and put it in there. You'll see what type of flavor you're looking for. Just try it. Bam, onions. You want some garlic in there?
Yeah.
She want the garlic, so boom. We got the onions going. Bam, chop the onions up. See if it looks good when I do this. Onions up, bam. You don't have to chop them up too much, so we just looking for that flavor, so let it be cool enough. You don't even have to really chop them up. Bam, just like that. You can break them up with your hands if you want to. Throw that away. Right there. Like that. Break it up with your hands. You ain't gotta be too major with the chopping. Unless you wanna be like that. I'm just chopping them up with my hands. Then chop them up. Take the onion, break it up. My hands. Something like that. Bam. Realla style gumbo pot. Nope. Realla style seafood pot. This ain't the gumbo. Gumbo a little more everything. I say seafood pot. Realla style. Realla seafood pot. Chop it up, chop it up. Radical chop. Take the little, put that in there. Please. Bam, got that. Yeah. Got that. Then we got the orange over here. Grandma used to cook her butt off, man. A lot knows best. She passed away. I got all my cooking skills from her. My mama used to make the gumbo pots and seafood pots. But more, mama used to make gumbo. Grandma and them. Chop the oranges up, put them over there. Chop the lemon up. Over there. Probably save me a lemon just to squeeze on top of my what's it called. Lemon up. Over there. Put that one in that pot. Right there. Yep. Well, we gonna put all that in there. And we gonna do it like that. Oh. Well, welcome back. As you can see, I'm taking my onions. Spread it all on there. With my lemon. Got my oranges in there. Over here. Too. Take that over here. Squeeze lemon juice in there. Go up in there. Plop, plop, plop. Get the rest of that in there. Plop, plop, plop. What I'm gonna do is cooking. As you see, it look beautiful, don't it, y'all? It look real beautiful. Get you a light look. Check that out. Look at that light. That look beautiful. I'm gonna take a picture of that. Instagram. You know that Instagram and this. Instagram, you have to respect that. All the chefs gonna love that. They're like, this looks so beautiful. Who is this guy? Why he create beautiful things and art? Oh my God. The Realla seafood pot has begun again. Straight like that. So I'm missing those seasonings. So y'all look at that for a minute. Look at the beautifulness of it. Straight like that. And voila, here's my finished seafood Realla pot. Realla seafood pot. Looking so beautiful. Y'all make sure y'all hit that subscribe button and check me out on other different things I got going on. You know, yeah, make sure y'all hit me up. Put that over there. Thank y'all, man. Much love. God bless. The Realla seafood pots is done. Now it's Realla seafood bowls. They've done. This is how it turned out to be. Thank y'all for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more cool videos, awesome videos, great videos, dope videos, whatever you want to call it. Please subscribe. Without y'all, I'm nothing. So thank y'all, man. God bless.
But I was locked, nothing.